making a track today. We already kind of made the jump. So, tools are already out in the yard. We got a lot. We got a lot to do today. What we were doing right here is we were just I was making my berm, and Colt was still kind of working on the second one. And now right here, working on the second one. So, yeah, I'm still working on the berm over there. I'll let you listen to the fast time. Kind of working on the berm, my berm, and it's kind of a bad angle, but here we go. Making the big berm, which is more dug in, so we can round the corner faster on our bikes. On his own, so he's just kind of working on his own, and I'm helping Bo. Berm, I'm helping Bo now. And this is the first berm before the jump. Loading up the wheelbarrow and dumping it, and then I go back to helping Colt. Okay, go. Anyway, so this is the first berm. Here it comes again. And this is first berm. Well, not that big. Not big. I mean, it's really long. Here's the jump. Here's the jump. Here's my berm. This is my jump that my berm. That's the jump. So that's how the berm works. Here's the second berm. This one's gonna be way bigger than the one after the jump. Still quite a work in progress. And so thick. And it's very blurry, but this is the deep hole, also known as the last berm, which is really deep and more dug into the ground to help us more get that speed so we don't hit the fence. So this is kind of what we did. This is it all done. That thing is deep.
That's up to you demonstration.
Oh, here's a demonstration quick. Did a lot of work.
Your demonstration of the
Alright. Yeah, we did a lot of work today.